Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing eToro with interactive brokers. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on this website called Broker Chaser, and over here I'm going to be comparing eToro to interactive brokers. And I'm going to be comparing eToro to interactive brokers. But before I do that, I'm going to go over some of their details and pros and cons on both of these two amazing websites, and then I'm going to go over the full comparison after that. So let's just jump into it. So first, let's take a look at Interactive Brokers. So it was founded in the 1978 and it is one of the biggest US-based discount brokers. And it is regulated by several financial authorities globally, including top tier ones like UK's Financial Court Conduct (FCA) and US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), and has a long track record and publicly disclosed financials while listed on stock exchange are also great signs for its safety as well. So let's just take a look at its overall ratings. So overall rating is 4.9, and for fees it's 4.2. Market and product is 5.0, account opening is 3.4, research is 4.3, deposit and withdrawal is 3.5, customer service is 3.4, trading platform is 3.7, and education is 4.5, which is pretty good because not a lot of brokers out there have an education score of more than 3, which is surprising to see over here, including the research one as well. So the main pros and cons of interactive brokers are: for pros, it's low trading fees, wide range of products, and many great research tools. Cons is that it's a complicated account opening process, complex desktop trading platform, and understaffed customer service. And some of the main features and highlights of interactive broker are that it has a high country of regulations such as USA, Ireland, UK, Luxembourg, Hungary, India, Australia, Canada, Japan, and Hong Kong. Low trading fees. It has no inactivity free charge, meaning if you are inactive on this app they will not charge you a fee, and zero withdrawal fees and zero minimum deposits. Time to open an account is 1 to 3 days, which is kind of a little bit wait, but I think it's worth it. Deposit with bank card is not available, and deposit with electronic wallets is also not available. Number of base currency supported by is 23 because it's supported by a lot of different countries. So of course it supports a lot of countries, which is pretty good to see over here. They also provide a demo account, and it has a really large number of products, and it has a really high number of products which include ETF, forex fund, bonds, options, futures, CFDs, cryptos, warrants, and structured products. So as you can see, it's pretty well known and has a lot of things going on for it. Now let's take a look at some of the other pros and cons. So for the pros and cons in fees, pros is that it has low trading fees, free stocks and ETF tradings for US clients, and low margin rates. It has no cons in the fees category. And for account opening, the pros is that it's fully digital and has no minimum deposit for most account types. Cons are that it's not user friendly and confusing messages throughout the process. Now on to deposit and withdrawals. So the pros for this is that it has no deposit fees, as I said before. Several account based currencies are available, and first withdrawal each month is free. Cons is that it doesn't support credit or debit card, which is pretty disappointing considering that if they did, support credit and debit card, then this would have been which would have made this the perfect broker application that is available to this day. Now moving on to eToro. So most of you will have known by this point that eToro is an Israeli fintech company and a social trading broker. It was established in 2007 and it is not listed on any stock exchange, and does not disclose its annual reports on its website and does not have a bank parent. Though eToro is considered safe because its UK and Australian arms are regulated by the top tier financial authorities, and it is also a well-known fintech company, so which guarantees its safety. So the overall rating of this broker is 4.7. The fees has a 4.4 rating. Market and product has 3.8. Account opening is 5 out of 5. Research is 3.5, deposit and withdrawal is 3.5 as well. Customer service is 3, trading platform is 4.8, trading platform is 4.8, education is 3.5. As I said before, not a lot of brokers have a higher rating than 3 when it comes to education and research. So the main pros and cons of eToro are that for pros, it has free stock and EFT trading, seamless account opening, and social trading experience. Cons are that it's high non-trading fees, only one account-based currency, and customer support could be improved as well. Now, the main features of eToro are the country of regulation is the UK, Cyprus, and Australia. Low trading fees classes, inactivity fee charge is yes, which means is that if you remain inactive for too long on eToro, they will charge you a fee. Really weird because it's essentially your choice whether you want to use it or not. You shouldn't be charged for inactivity, but I guess it is what it is. And the minimum withdrawal fee amount is $5 and the minimum deposit is $200, which is quite a lot of money if you ask me. The time to deposit an account is 1 day, and the good thing is that it supports deposits from bank cards and deposits from electronic wallets. The bad thing is that the number of base currencies are really limited, and by limited I mean only one. They do provide a demo account though, and the products they offer are stocks, ETF, forex, CFD, and crypto. Not as many as interactive brokers, but it's still good enough. So the pros and cons for fees are that it's low trading fees, free stock and ETF trading, and low forex and CFD fees. Cons are that it has a high non-trading fee. For account opening, the pros are that it's fast, fully digital, and low minimum deposit. Cons are that it has no cons in this department of its category. Deposit and withdrawal. So for pros, deposit and withdrawal is that the credit/debit cards are available, no deposit fees, and user friendly. Cons are that you can only have one account based currency and you have to pay a $5 withdrawal fee and the conversion fee for non-US deposits. So these are some of the pros and cons for eToro and interactive brokers. Now let's go back to the head-to-head comparison. So as you can see over here, so the overall rating for eToro is 4.7 and interactive broker is 4.9. And I'm sure you know why it's not 5. So eToro has free stocks and EFT trading, whereas Interactive has low trading fees. Seamless account opening for eToro, wide range of products for interactive brokers, social trading experience for eToro, and many great research tools for interactives. High non-trading fees for eToro and complicated account opening process for interactives. Only one account-based currency for eToro, whereas Interactive has almost 29. But it has a complex desktop trading platform, and the customer support for both of them are pretty bad. And as you can see over here, when it comes to safety, the majority of clients belong to the top tier financial authority, negative balance protection, and well-known innovative fintech firm for eToro, whereas for Interactive, it is listed on the stock exchange, has negative balance protection, and is regulated by top tier financial authorities. There are no cons for Interactive Broker when it comes to safety, whereas for eToro, it does not hold a banking license, it is not listed on the stock exchange, and the financial information is not public, whereas for Interactive it is public, as I told you before. So as you can see over here, when it comes to like comparing their ratings, we can see that when it comes to like desktop trading platforms, eToro doesn't even have that, whereas Interactive has it, but it's pretty complex, so most people I don't think will use it. And when it comes to market and product, as you can see, eToro slacks behind, whereas Interactive goes ahead. And when it comes to customer services, they're both pretty bad. But when it comes to like education purposes, Interactive pulls ahead. And when it comes to deposits, they're both at 3.5, which is weird because Interactive has zero fees whatsoever, whereas eToro takes $5 and $200 for minimum withdrawal. But I think they cancel out each other because eToro accepts credit cards and electronic wallets, whereas Interactive does not. But I would say that they're both pretty good. If I had to choose one of them, I would go with Interactive because it has a lot of things going on over here. First and foremost, it's completely free. It has low trading fees, and it also has a wide variety of products, and it is also regulated by top tier financial authorities, and it is also listed on the stock exchange. So there's that. It might be a little complex, but because of its complexity, it's much more safer and it is much more faster and it provides better services overall. So having said that, let me know in the comment sections which one you think is better, eToro or Interactive Brokers, and also comment them down below as well. So if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section as well, and then I'll be sure to get back to them as well. So having said that, this is the end of this video, and if you guys enjoy it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.